Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset keyboard on the Motorola device. So if your keyboard doesn't appear for no reason, just go to the Play Store and you can't type, so say Swift keyboard. Okay, that's work because we are looking for just the other way, just the other keyboard from the default one, so Swift key is okay. And now just install it. After that, go to the settings. In the settings, go to the system, language and input, and choose on-screen keyboard. Now just turn on the Swift key, turn off the default one, and you can bring back the default one now to reset it. And now your keyboard should work normally. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.